Hello, hello, crafty friends. It's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and today I am stopping by to share with you a summer card I created for the new Crafting Kimmy July Challenge, which is, oh, sorry, my stand just kind of moved there. That was really random. Anyways, the new challenge is ribbon or twine, summer or blue. I went with the summer theme for my card today. I used the super fun and cute What's the Scoop stamp set. I just think how fun is she and her little floaty and this little crab and his floaty. Those are the two images that I used. Just love it. Everything that I used that I could still find is in the description box below, as well as a link to the Crafting Kimmy blog, so you can find all the information about it, and the Facebook group. Come on over. We love crafty friends. I also used this My Favorite Things Sand, Surf, and Sky 6x6 paper pad. It's a super fun paper pad for those summer cards. I did use some Stormy Sky Crafting Kimmy ink, some glossy accents, used some pretty like mirrored dots from Gina Marie Designs. I used a Wink of Stella pen, but I used the black one, so that was fun. And then I did make a mini slimline, and so I used these Cat Scrappiness. They're the fancy scalloped dies for the mini slimline. And here is my card. Isn't she so cute? And those little crabs. So I colored them up. I fussy cut them out so that I could cut out the centers of the tubes. I don't know if the camera will catch it. There's glossy accents on the tubes to make them shiny like real ones. And then I used that Wink of Stella pen on the glasses so they kind of shimmer. I stamped the sentiment and then I cut it apart. You're super cool so that it would fit. There's those Gina Marie dots and there's those dies for the mini slimline. I just did that on the inside and I think it turned out adorable. So why don't you come along and play with us? Grab out your Crafting Kimmy summer stamps, or grab out your Crafting Kimmy stamps and some ribbon and twine or blue, and come join in on the fun. Again, everything is linked in the description box below. And I thank you for stopping by. Go do something for yourself and go do something crafty. See you soon. Bye.